RPA, or say robotic process automation, is about automating repetitive activities. Here is how an RPA solution can generate QR codes from the text. During web page creation, marketing teams have to use various tools to generate QR codes. This daunting task can be quite time-consuming, especially when multiple pages have numerous codes. Presenting ElectroNeek, it makes this repetitive job easy and quick. It gets all the data from an Excel sheet or a Word file. The bot runner from the ElectroNeek runs to take one row from the Excel sheet. It goes to the QR generation website and enters all the data in the required field. It clicks the download button and stores the QR code in the given folder in the system. It repeats this steps till all QR codes are generated from the given Excel sheet.